Welcome back to Tecnoguia's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send application on your cell phone for Bluetooth. The first thing we're going to do is go to bear in mind you have files by Google. This application is very easily quick and simple, and we can see the apps. Okay, select apps. We can see installed apps, system apps, and installed files. In my case, I go all Cambio, press the three buttons, and go to share. In share, we can see the options you can send by Bluetooth. Bluetooth is very slow, and if you have other device, Samsung, Android, you can send with quick share. It's very quick and easy. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.